It can be said that September is summer's twilight. It all began when we started to notice the gathering of birds as they prepared to make their exit to warmer southern destinations. Then, by September's end, summer flew away along with the bird flocks beginning their miraculous migration. September is the end of summer's chapter as the world turns the final page into a new autumn. Over the next few minutes, you'll see the transformations of summer flowers going to seed, which energize the songbirds for their journey. You'll see forest green tree canopies and undergrowth morph into colorful golds and reds, the last of the dragonflies mating and laying eggs to hatch next spring, turtles finding warming spots in the sun on those chilled mornings. You'll notice the bunnies have grown big, northern shorebirds are now passing through, and fawns have shed their spots as the cooler nights signal that it's time for them to grow into their first winter fur coat. It's early fall, but already the land is becoming silent. Birds are beginning to migrate away. Mornings are calm with fog in the valleys. Large plantings of soybeans and corn are beginning to turn gold, which is kind of a beautiful sight. It's probably in a big part where Wisconsin gets green and gold for some of the favorite year-round colors. The greens and golds of the fields are mixing with reds, yellows, and oranges of the trees. The flowering plants have gone to seed, which is, of course, bird food. It's been a very dry summer. A lot of the area that used to be shallow marsh has really taken a beating in drying up. Waterfowl that raised their children here over the spring and early summer are gone. With the coming of fall, the cloudy days become more and more frequent. Migrating birds travel by night, following an itinerary taking them hundreds of miles from here. For all of the migrators, like this blue heron here, I'll certainly be missing you while you're gone.